What if, beneath the peaceful canopy of a forest, a silent war was constantly raging, and the trees themselves were screaming for help? Scientists have discovered that when a tree is attacked by pests like caterpillars, it doesn't just suffer in silence. It releases specific volatile organic compounds into the air, a chemical distress signal. Neighboring trees detect these airborne warnings, immediately boosting their own defenses, like producing more bitter chemicals in their leaves. But their communication isn't limited to airborne SOS calls. The real magic happens deep beneath the forest floor. Imagine a vast, intricate internet, not of wires and Wi-Fi, but of living fungal threads connecting every single tree. This hidden infrastructure allows trees to do more than just send warnings, it enables them to share vital resources and even recognize their own kin. This astonishing network is known as the Wood Wide Web, a term coined by Dr. Suzanne Simard from the University of British Columbia. It's formed by mycorrhizal fungi, ancient organisms that live in a symbiotic relationship with tree roots. The fungi extend their microscopic filaments, called hyphae, far beyond what roots can reach, absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. In return, the trees supply the fungi with sugars produced during photosynthesis, fueling this incredible underground highway. One of the most profound discoveries is that trees actively share carbon and other nutrients through this fungal network. For example, during summer, towering Douglas firs with abundant sunlight will send excess carbon to smaller, shaded saplings struggling to photosynthesize. This altruistic act, observed across species, ensures the survival and health of the entire forest, particularly helping the young and weak. This web isn't just a food delivery system, it's also a forest-wide defense network, acting as an early warning system. When a tree comes under attack from diseases or insect infestations, it can send out electrochemical signals through the fungal network. These signals trigger defense mechanisms in connected trees, giving them a head start to produce antifungal compounds or insect-repelling toxins, effectively vaccinating the entire forest against threats. Beyond fungi, some trees form even more direct connections through root grafting. This is when the roots of two adjacent trees physically fuse together, creating a direct vascular link. This allows for an immediate and robust exchange of water, nutrients, and even hormones. In some cases, a healthy tree can keep a cut stump alive for decades, feeding it directly through its root grafts, showcasing an astonishing level of interconnectedness. Perhaps most astonishingly, forests can exhibit kin recognition. Research suggests that mother trees can identify their own offspring among a sea of saplings. They prioritize funneling resources like nitrogen and phosphorus to their biological children, giving them a significant survival advantage. This genetic bias demonstrates a sophisticated level of discrimination and family support within the forest ecosystem. The most powerful display of this forest intelligence might be found in dying trees. As a mother tree approaches its final years, it doesn't hoard its remaining energy. Instead, it systematically unloads its vital resources, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, into the mycorrhizal network. This final act of self-sacrifice ensures that its energy isn't wasted, but rather distributed to the younger, growing trees and saplings, perpetuating the forest's life cycle. It's a living legacy, literally giving its last breath to sustain the next generation. Now, here's the shocking twist: when humans practice clear-cutting, where large sections of forest are completely removed, we aren't just cutting down individual trees. We are instantly, catastrophically, severing this ancient, intricate communication network. A single act of clear-cutting can disrupt thousands of years of established connections, turning a thriving, interconnected superorganism into isolated, vulnerable individuals overnight. It's an invisible massacre of a highly intelligent system. What if forests are, in a very real sense, sentient? Not in the way we understand consciousness, but possessing a collective intelligence, a memory, and an astonishing capacity for cooperation previously thought unique to animals. This Wood Wide Web isn't just an interesting phenomenon, it's the fundamental architecture of forest life, a testament to nature's profound ability to organize, communicate, and thrive through unity. It compels us to see every tree, every sapling, not as an individual, but as an indispensable part of a greater, living whole. Understanding the hidden language of trees transforms our relationship with the natural world. It reveals forests not as silent collections of plants, but as vibrant, talking communities, each tree a node in a vast, ancient network of wisdom and generosity. This profound interconnectedness is not just beautiful, it's a critical lesson in survival, sustainability, and the true meaning of collective life. Next time you walk through a forest, remember the hidden conversations happening beneath your feet, a symphony of cooperation sustaining life itself. The sheer complexity and generosity of the forest's hidden language truly redefines our place in nature. What single fact about tree communication or the Wood Wide Web surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you were captivated by the secret lives of trees, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to uncover more mind-blowing science and nature facts with us every week.